Welcome to Hack Your Health, the channel where we share science-backed natural remedies and tips to help you live stronger, healthier, and more energized, especially after 60. If you've noticed your muscles feeling weaker, everyday tasks becoming harder, or recovery taking longer than it used to, you're not alone. After the age of 60, the body naturally begins to lose muscle mass, a condition known as sarcopenia. But here's the exciting news. Muscle loss isn't something you simply have to accept. With the right nutrition and daily habits, you can actually rebuild your muscles, regain strength, and feel years younger. And one of the most powerful, overlooked ways to do this is with fruit. Now, you might be surprised to hear that fruit can play such a big role in rebuilding muscle. Most people associate muscle growth with protein shakes, meat, or supplements. But in reality, fruits provide something those other foods can't. A natural combination of antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, hydration, and plant compounds that protect your muscles from damage and give your body the raw materials it needs to repair and grow stronger. In today's video, we're diving into the 7 best fruits to rebuild muscle and reverse muscle loss after 60. But before we begin, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a chance to learn how simple, natural choices can transform your health. Let's start with our first fruit. Bananas. Bananas are often thought of as a quick snack or something athletes grab before a big game, but they are also one of the most powerful muscle-protecting fruits for seniors. They're rich in potassium, a mineral that helps your muscles contract properly and prevents painful cramps. If you've ever woken up in the middle of the night with a Charlie horse, that's often a sign of low potassium. By eating bananas regularly, you reduce your risk of muscle fatigue and cramping, but potassium is just the beginning. Bananas also contain vitamin B6, which helps your body process protein more efficiently. And since protein is the building block of muscle, this vitamin plays a hidden but critical role in helping your body rebuild muscle fibers. Think of bananas as nature's recovery snack. They fuel your muscles with energy, protect them from cramping, and help your body use protein to rebuild strength. The second fruit is oranges. Most people know oranges for their vitamin C content, but what they don't realize is just how important vitamin C is for muscle health after 60. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production. Collagen isn't just about keeping your skin looking youthful. It is the protein that supports your muscles, tendons, and joints. After 60, collagen levels decline, which contributes to both muscle weakness and stiff joints. Oranges help restore that by providing a natural boost to collagen production. On top of that, the antioxidants in oranges fight something called oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is like rust for your muscles. It weakens them, slows recovery, and makes you feel sore for longer. By eating oranges or drinking fresh orange juice, you're essentially giving your muscles a shield against this rust. Seniors who eat oranges regularly often report less soreness, better mobility, and faster recovery after physical activity, whether that's walking, gardening, or light exercise. The third fruit is blueberries. These tiny berries are a powerhouse for anyone over 60 who wants to keep their muscles strong. Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, a special group of antioxidants that reduce inflammation and improve blood circulation. Why does this matter for muscles? Because your muscles depend on strong circulation to deliver oxygen and nutrients while carrying away waste. When circulation slows, muscles become starved and weak. Blueberries act like a natural circulation booster, ensuring that your muscles get exactly what they need to repair and grow. They also support bone health thanks to their vitamin K content. And remember, strong bones and strong muscles work together. You can't have one without the other. Several studies even suggest that older adults who eat blueberries regularly see improvements in balance, coordination, and exercise performance. So, tossing a handful into your oatmeal, smoothie, or even eating them as a snack can go a long way toward keeping you active and independent. Now, you might be wondering, can fruits really make such a difference in rebuilding muscle? And the answer is absolutely yes. Fruits work in ways that protein powders and supplements alone can't. They hydrate the body, reduce inflammation, boost circulation, and provide essential vitamins that your muscles rely on for repair. By combining them with healthy proteins and regular movement, you give your body the perfect recipe to fight muscle loss naturally. So far, we've covered 3 muscle-rebuilding fruits: bananas for potassium and protein metabolism, oranges for collagen and recovery, and blueberries for circulation and inflammation control. And the best part? These are everyday fruits you can find in any grocery store. They don't require exotic shopping or expensive powders. But we're not done yet. There are still 4 more fruits that are even more powerful in rebuilding muscle, protecting your body, and helping you feel strong and capable at any age. But before we move forward, I want to remind you to hit that like button if you're finding this video helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to Hack Your Health, because we post videos every week to help you live your healthiest life after 60, naturally. Next on our list, fruit number 4, papaya. Papaya is often called a tropical healing fruit, and for good reason. It contains a powerful enzyme called papain, which helps your body digest protein more efficiently. This is especially important after 60, because as we age, our digestive system tends to slow down, and we don't absorb nutrients as well as we used to. If your body isn't breaking down protein properly, your muscles won't get the building blocks they need to repair and grow. Papaya solves this problem by improving protein absorption naturally. In addition to papain, papaya is rich in vitamin C and vitamin A, which work together to reduce inflammation in the muscles and joints. Many seniors who eat papaya regularly notice less stiffness, easier movement, and improved recovery after activity. Think of papaya as a fruit that not only nourishes your muscles, but also helps your body actually use the protein from your meals to build strength where you need it most. Fruit number 5 is watermelon. Now, you might think of watermelon as just a refreshing summer snack, but it is surprisingly powerful for muscle health. Watermelon is one of the best natural sources of an amino acid called citrulline. Citrulline improves blood flow, which is crucial for muscle repair and growth. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered directly to your muscles, and waste products like lactic acid are removed more quickly. This is why athletes often drink watermelon juice to recover faster after workouts. For seniors, it works the same way. Watermelon helps your muscles recover from daily activities like climbing stairs, carrying groceries, or gardening. On top of that, it's made up of over 90% water, which keeps you hydrated. Hydration might sound simple, but even mild dehydration can make muscles weaker, stiffer, and more prone to injury. By eating watermelon, you're not just enjoying a sweet, juicy snack. You're giving your muscles the hydration and circulation boost they need to stay strong. Fruit number 6 is avocado. Yes, avocado is technically a fruit, and it's one of the most complete muscle-supporting foods you can eat. Unlike most fruits, avocados are rich in healthy fats, especially monounsaturated fats, which reduce inflammation in the muscles and joints. They're also packed with potassium, more than bananas, which helps prevent cramps and support strong muscle contractions. But here's what makes avocados especially valuable for people over 60. They contain magnesium. Magnesium is often called the relaxation mineral because it helps muscles relax after contracting. Without enough magnesium, muscles can feel tight, stiff, or even twitch involuntarily. Avocados also provide B vitamins, which help your body turn food into energy. That means when you eat an avocado, you're refueling your body with the nutrients it needs to both power activity and recover from it. If bananas are nature's recovery snack, avocados are nature's muscle repair kit. Finally, fruit number 7, cherries, particularly tart cherries. Cherries are famous for their ability to reduce muscle soreness. They contain powerful antioxidants called anthocyanins, which reduce inflammation and speed up recovery. This is why many athletes drink tart cherry juice after intense training. For people over 60, cherries are even more important because they help fight chronic inflammation, which is one of the main reasons muscles weaken with age. By reducing inflammation, cherries protect your muscles from long-term damage and allow them to rebuild more effectively. Cherries also improve sleep quality by providing natural melatonin. And sleep is when your body does most of its muscle repair. Without deep, restful sleep, your muscles don't get the chance to recover and grow. By eating cherries or drinking tart cherry juice in the evening, you can improve both your sleep and your muscle recovery at the same time. Now, let's take a step back and recap what we've covered. The 7 best fruits for rebuilding muscle and reversing muscle loss after 60 are bananas, for potassium and better protein metabolism; oranges, for vitamin C, collagen production, and recovery; blueberries, for circulation, antioxidant power, and balance; papaya, for better protein absorption and reduced stiffness; watermelon, for hydration and improved blood flow through citrulline. Avocado, for healthy fats, magnesium, and energy. Cherries, for muscle soreness relief, reduced inflammation, and better sleep. What's incredible about these fruits is how simple they are to include in your daily routine. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated diets. Just by adding 1 or 2 of these fruits each day, you can give your body the nutrients it needs to fight muscle loss naturally. Imagine starting your morning with a smoothie made from bananas, blueberries, and papaya. That's a muscle-building powerhouse in a glass. Or maybe an afternoon snack of orange slices and a handful of cherries. Then at dinner, you add some avocado to your salad. These little choices add up, and over weeks and months, you'll notice your muscles feeling stronger, your energy lasting longer, and your body moving with greater ease. And here's one more important point. Fruits don't work in isolation. To really get the full benefit, pair these muscle-protecting fruits with regular movement and enough protein. That could be walking, light resistance training, or even yoga. The combination of good nutrition, hydration, and gentle exercise is what truly helps rebuild muscle after 60. So, if you've been feeling your strength slipping away, don't lose hope. Your body is incredibly resilient, even after 60. By nourishing it with the right foods and giving it the care it needs, you can reverse muscle loss, rebuild strength, and regain independence. The 7 fruits we've discussed today are nature's gift to your muscles, and they're waiting for you to enjoy them. Before we finish, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps support the channel. And make sure to subscribe to Hack Your Health for more science-backed natural health tips every week. We're building a community of people who want to take charge of their health naturally, and we'd love for you to be part of it. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, rebuilding muscle after 60 isn't just possible, it's within your reach, one healthy choice at a time. This video is for educational purposes only, and not medical advice. Always check with your healthcare provider before making changes to your diet or lifestyle.